Hi guys, this is Vikas from PowerPoint for welcome you all in my YouTube channel guys. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful certificate design like this in just PowerPoint. So this is our tutorial number 183, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a simple and very attractive certificate design for an institution in just PowerPoint. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So click on the insert option. Here you will find a new slide option in the left side. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. Now go to the previous slide and let me zoom out guys so that you can see the sample color over here. So just copy the sample color by pressing Ctrl C on keyboard and paste it over here on the new slide. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how these elements I have arranged to create a shape like this. Okay. So first I will create this element, then this, and this one by one, and finally we got a certificate design like this. So I'm going to undo it and start creating the first shape, that is this blue shape. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will select a isosceles triangle option from here inside the shape and drag an isosceles triangle like this. I will rotate it to the 90-degree right like this and put it at the top left corner. Okay. Just remove the outline. So click on shape outline and choose no outline option from here. And after this, what I'm going to do, after this is drag it to something this much and right click over the shape and choose edit point option here. You will find 3 black dot over here. So I'm going to change with this dot. I'm going to shift it this dot over here, okay, or maybe something here, okay. And now you will find as you click on the black dot, every black dot will give you 2 white handles for adjustment. Okay, like I'm clicking on here, you will find 2 white dot, 2 white handle. So I'm clicking on this particular dot and getting these 2 white handles. So I'm going to change with this handle. So I'm going to shift it like this. Okay. Now for creating extra black dot, you just have to, let me show you guys. For creating extra black dot, you just have to wait for this icon. Like you have to place your cursor on the border line and your cursor will change in this icon. So after getting this icon, you just have to shift this inner. You will get another black dot. Okay, I want a black dot over here, so I'm going to click it like this. So we have now 5 dots over here on this shape. So I'm going to change the adjustment of this handle. So I'm going to put it over here or maybe something here, and I will click on this dot and I will adjust this handle to something here, and that's it. So this is what we want actually. Okay. So now I will duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl D on the keyboard, and let me change the color of this shape. So I'm going to choose a random color like this one and put this shape over here and make it something larger like this. And now what I'm going to do, I will send it to back. So right click over the shape and choose send to back option over here. So now what I'm going to do, I will right click over here and choose edit point option again. So now we have these dots, so I'm going to hide these dots something here. Okay, now I'll try to create this shape. Okay, so to do that, I'm again going to choose a isosceles triangle, like I'm going to choose this one and drag a triangle like this, rotate it to left 90-degree and place it to the right top corner like this. Remove the background by just clicking on this option, and now right click over here. Before doing this, I'm going to make it bigger, like something this much, or this should be something short like this. Now right click over here and choose edit point option over here. Now you just have to shift this dot, black dot, over here like this. And now what I'm going to do, I will add another handle, like I'm adding this black dot over here, and after this I'm going to make an adjustment like this. It will take some time Make the adjustment very carefully, guys. Okay, now we are done with the shape. Now again I'm going to select this isosceles triangle, and or maybe I'm going to select the right triangle. Like I'm going to choose the shape option, and inside shape option you will find a right triangle over here. So click on that and drag a right triangle like this. Now I'm going to rotate it to the 90 degree and put this at right bottom. Now make the outlines no outlines, and right click over here and say edit point option. Choose edit point option. Now you have to make 2 extra dot. Like I'm going to make 1 extra dot over here and another here. Okay, so now it's time to adjust the dots. Like I'm going to place this dot over here, this dot over here, now this is perfect, guys. Now after making this shape, we'll have to create this bigger shape like this. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will again choose a right angle triangle. Like I'm going to choose this option, and I will drag it like this. Fill it with a different color and make it no outline, guys. Okay, after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will make it bigger like this and put it over here. Now right click over the shape and send it to back. So I'm going to send it to back. Okay, now drag it something here, and now right click over here. Before doing this, I'm going to increase the height of this shape like this much. After doing this, I'm going to right click over here and choose edit point option. Now we'll have to add some more black dots over the shape, over this hypotenuse line. So I'm going to add 1 dot over here and drag it here like this. Another I will add over here and drag it something here. Another I will add something here and bring it to here. Now finally we have to create this shape, guys. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will again use an isosceles triangle from here and drag it like this. Make it no outline by clicking on this option and put it over here on the left side. Let's drag it something here. Right click here and click on edit point option. So we have to shift this to something here and make it rounded like this. Make another black dot over here on this shape, something here, and drag it like this. Just drag this white handle something here, drag this one something here, and this handle something here, guys. So this is what we want actually. So now it's time to fill the shape with a different color. So I'm going to fill this shape with the color given in the color sample, this color, and this shape I'm going to fill it with the green color. So it's time to fill with the same green color. This will be the same green color, and this will be the blue color, will be a blue color. Okay, so now right click over here and change the background. Format background option, click on the format background option, and I'm going to delete this animation pane over here. Now click on the gradient fill option. As you click on the gradient fill option, you will find it will automatically fetch the color from the previous slide. So I'm going to, the only thing I'm going to do, the only one change I'm going to do here, my color is already set. So I'm going to do only one change. I'm going to change the direction, or I'm going to change the type. So I'm going to change the type here. I'm making its radial instead of linear. So as you make radial, you have to select this option because we want the white shade just in the center of the slide. Okay, now it's time to create the shapes like this. So to do this, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option, just choose an oval option from here, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag a shape like this. Make it no outline and let me fill it with a pink color, this pink color, but we have to change the transparency. So we have to make it more transparent, guys. Like I'm going to change the transparency of this shape to 31. Okay, now another shape I'm going to add is, we have to add a plus shape. So I'm going to drag it like this and you will find a yellow dot over here. So you just have to slide it inward to make the plus thinner. Remove its outline and fill it with a different color. Let me take the reference of the previous slide. So we will fill it with a gray color. So I'm going to choose a gray color for this plus sign. Just click on the format option and here you will find shape option. Just click a gray color, like I'm going to choose this one. And make it transparent, guys. So I'm going to increase the transparency to something 31. The same transparency I will give to this shape also. Now I will reduce the size of it. Okay, I'm going to make it something, let me zoom in, guys. I want to make it something this much, or I'm going to increase the width like this much. Okay, so we have already created these two shapes. Now some more shapes we will have to create, guys, like this star. So I'm going to make another star, like I'm going to choose a star option inside the shape option. So here you can find the star option. So just drag it like this and make it no outline, fill it with the pink color and make it transparent to 31. Now I will copy this. Let me take the reference. Is there any shape left? No, it's enough, guys. So I'm going to copy these elements and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and just put this something here randomly where you want, guys. Okay, so only one thing you have to keep in your mind, guys, like you don't have to put these elements between the or in the center of the slide. You just have to keep aside. So this is what we want. Now it's time to copy the text from the previous slide. You can make it more better, guys. If you will give the time, you have to give the time. It will take a sufficient time, guys. Okay, so I'm going to copy these text groups from the previous slide and paste it over here on the new slide. So let me tell you guys which type of text I'm using in this slide. So you can see for the certificate text I'm using Arial and the size will be 40. For achievement I'll be using calligraphy body and size is 18. In the same way, for the detailed text I'm using Appraised and the size is 16, and for the name of the certificate holder will be ink free. Okay, now you can see all the detail about this text, guys. So this is how you can create a simple and attractive certificate design to give your students for an educational institution. It's a very important and very useful things, and you should have an idea to how to create this type of simple and attractive certificate design in just PowerPoint, guys. Okay, so hope you like the tutorial and enjoy the tutorial. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.